Now, dear student, here I am going to show you one thing, that as here I have shown you in the previous program, I have shown you the place value. This is the place where it has been conducted. Now I'll show you that how the thing you can understand. Okay, how the thing you can understand. So here is a program. In this particular program, I have taken some value in a list. This is a list. So ABC first one, then under that ABC, under that list another list I have taken 6, 7, 8, one series, then one value again I have taken 3, then another value I have taken mouse. So now I have said print L3 colon. What does it means? Print, nothing is there, colon colon 2. Next word print 1 colon 2. Next word print 1 1. So what does it do? What does it will going to show to you? I think you can imagine little bit. I explained, those who has followed my previous classes, they know it and they understand the fact that how the thing is working. Now first case is 3, isn't it? 3 means from after the third position what the values are there. So this is the first position. This total one is one position. That means it is a second position. This is the third position. So after the third position, what is the value? 3. That is mouse. So 3, that after 3, what are the value you print? Okay. After the third position, what are the values are there you print? It is not from the third position, I am not saying. After the third position, after the 3, what are the values are there you printed. So it is printed the mouse. Next word say colon colon 2. Okay, colon colon 2 means what? That means it will start from that particular area of the first position, then it will going to give a gap of 2 space, then it will go to the next. So what is the first value? First value is ABC. So ABC has been printed. Then it will give one gap. That one gap has been given. Then it will go to the gap, means what gap it is giving? That second position gap it is giving, and then it will go to the third. That is after second position what the value is there, that will going to be. Okay. Next one is 1 colon 2. 1 colon 2 means that will start from after the 1th position. In the 1th position, from those values what are there. So 1 position what? It find one list 6, 7 and 8. Okay. So since it find one list there, it take the value from that list and it printed that value. Okay. The next one is 7. Why only 7? Because it started from where 1, then 1. There is no colon is there. See it. 1 means leave the 1. Then you go to the next. From there you start again the value of the series, and from there the 1th position. That means originally for computer this is the 0th position and this is the 1th position. So it has asked only to print the 1th position value. So what is the 1th position value? 1th position value is 7. So it has printed 7. So this is how the position you can identify. The position you can say at which position what value you want to print. Okay, which position what value you want to print, that you can do with this particular type of declaration. So I have shown you this particular program, where in this program you can do or you can execute with this pattern of the values and this pattern of similar type of values with declaring their address position. So this is what originally they are the address position. You are declaring the address position, what is the starting address, what is will be the ending address. Based on this address position, it will going to take out or extract the value from there, and those the values will going to print here. Okay, so this is how, this is the form how you can see it, that the work will be conducted or work will be done. Clear? So this the work will be conducted or work will be done. There the work we find it that it will going to execute the part and it will going to see that what is the working phenomenon there are. Okay, what is the working phenomenon they are, and based on this working phenomena you will going to have your structure. You will going to have your particular value position. Clear? So this is how the thing will going to execute and thing will going to make it. So